Good morning students, I am Ravinder Singh, your math teacher. You know very well, chapter number 7, linear equation in one variable is going on. So, today we will discuss the last questions of exercise 7a. So, see the question number 23 and question number 23 this. So, first of all, we take the LCM of 5 and 4. 5 and 4. So, take LCM 5 and 4. So you know very well 5 4 are 20, so multiply by 4 2x minus 3 as it is, plus 4 5 are 20, so multiply by 5 x plus 3 as it is equals to 4x plus 1 upon 7. So 4 2 ja 8x, 4 3 ja 12 plus 5 1 ja 5x and 5 3 ja 15 upon 20 as it is and equals to 4x plus 1 upon 7. You know very well 5 and 8 is 13x minus 15 minus 12 is just 3 upon 20 equals to 4x plus 1 upon 7. By cross multiply 24 the 80x plus 21 the 20 as it is 7 13 7 ja 91 x and 7 1 ja 7 3 ja 21 So arrange the like terms 91x minus 80x equals to 80 side ले जाएंगे 21 इस side 20 minus 21. So 91x minus 80x 11x just and here minus 1. So value of x equals to 1 upon 11. So after this check, so this value put here. So 2 multiply minus 1 upon 11 and minus 3 as it is divided by 5 plus x means minus 1 upon 11 plus 3 upon 4 equals to 4 multiply minus 1 upon 11 plus 1 upon 7. So take the LCM. 2 1 are 2 and 30 11 3 are 33 by 11 multiply 5 plus 11 3 are 33 upon 11 multiply 4 equals to 4 1 are 4 and 11 1 are 11 upon 11 multiply 7. You know very well 33 and 2 35 upon 11 5 are 55. As it is here 33 minus 1 32 upon 44 equals to 11 minus 4 just 7 upon 11 multiply 7. So 7 1 ja 7 and here take the LCM 55 and 44. So LCM is 220. So 55 की जगह 220 कितने टाइम्स आता है बेटा? Just 4 times. So 35 multiply 4 and plus as it is here 32 multiply 5 equals to 1 upon 11. So 4 5 are 20, 4 3 are 12 or 2 40 and plus as it is 5 2 are 10 and 5 3 are 15 or 1 16 upon 220 equals to 1 upon 11. Then बेटा माइनस करते हैं 160 minus 140 just 20 upon 220 equals to 1 upon 11. So you know very well 21 are 20 and 21 are. So 1 upon 11 equals to 1 upon 11. Left hand side equals to right hand side means your answer is right. So everyone clear? After this see the question number 25. And question number 25 this. So see the question number 25. First of all we solve this small bracket means first of all we take the LCM of 3 and 4. So x plus 2 as it is upon 6. LCM of 3 and 4 is just 12. So 3 4 are 12, so multiply by 4. So 11 4 are 44 and 4x. 4 3 are 12 means 3 equals to 3 21 and 4x as it is upon 12 equals to 3x minus 4 upon 12 upon 12. Clear students? Now again we take the LCM of 6 and 12. LCM is 12. So 6 to the 12, so multiply by 2 x plus 2 as it is, and here 41 minus 4x as it is equals to 3x minus 4 upon 12. Everyone clear students? Yes? Then 12 under 12 you know very well. So 2 under 2x plus 2 to the 4 and minus change the sign. So 4x equals to 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4. 4 and 2 6x 41 and minus 4 just 37 equals to 3x minus 4. Arrange the same terms. So 6x minus 3x equals to 37 minus 4. So 3x equals to just 33. Means value of x equals to 33 upon 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. So value of x equals to 11. After this check करते हैं बेटा. So this value put the given equation. Equation is you know very well. Put here. Check. So 11 plus 2 upon 6 minus 11 minus 11 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 equals to 3 multiply 11 minus 4 upon 12 upon 12. So 11 and 2 13 upon 6 minus 11 minus 11 you know very well 0 and minus 1 upon 4 equals to 33 minus 4 upon 12 upon 12. So 13 upon 6 as it is minus plus 1 upon 4 equals to 33 minus 4 upon 12. So again take the LCM is 12. So 6 to the 12, so 13 to the 26 plus 4 to the 12 is 3 and 33 minus 4 29 upon 12. And here also 26 plus 3 29 upon 12. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Means your answer is right. Everyone clear these two questions? Yes or no beta? Good. Very nice. After this see the next question, and next question is 27. Question number 27. Question number 27 is very important for your PT3 exam. So see the question number 23. 27. And question number 27 is 0.5x plus x upon 3 equals to 0.25x plus 7 plus 7. So arrange the like term means x जिनके साथ x है वो एक साइड लिखेंगे और without x राइट साइड लिखेंगे. So 0.5x plus x upon 3 and minus 0.25x and equals to 7 So take the LCM. LCM is 3. So 3 5 are 15. So 1.5x plus x and here 75 equals to 7. Then add the data 2.5x minus 0.75x equals to 3 7 are 21. 3 7 are 21. Then minus करते हैं बेटा. We take 0. So 10 minus 5 just 5. 14 minus 7 7 and 1 as it is. X equals to 21. So x equals to 21 upon 1.75. 1.75. तो बेटा पॉइंट से यहाँ पर डबल जीरो आ जाएगी बेटा. 3 से कट करें बेटा. 7 2 जा 14 remaining 3. तो 7 2 जा 14 remaining 3. 7 5 जा 35 as it is. 7 3 जा 21. तो 25 जा 25 and 25 जा 50. So value of x equals to 12. Value of x equals to 12 and this value put above the given equation because हमें क्या करना है बेटा आंसर्स को चेक करना है कि हमारा जो आंसर है वो राइट है और रॉन्ग है. तो चेक करते हैं बेटा. चेक 0.5 multiply 12 plus 12 upon 3 equals to 0.25 multiply 12 plus 7 plus 7. So 12 5 are 60 means 6.0 plus 3 4 are 12 equals to 12 5 are 60 carry 6 12 is 24 24 or 6 31. After 2 digits we take the point. So the next question, question number 29. After this, see the next question, question number 29. And question number 29 is very important. So see the question number 29. And question number 29 is 2.43 minus x minus 0.6 2x minus 3 equals to 0 equals to 0. So first of all multiply करेंगे हम बेटा. So 24 3s are 3 4 are 12 and carry 1 3 2 are 6 or 1 7 minus 2.4x as it is here 6 2 are 12 x and minus plus 6 3s are 18 equals to 0 equals to 0. So beta this is 2.4 and this is 1.4, so both are minus, so plus करेंगे बेटा 4 to 6 2 and 1 3 minus x and 72 और 18 plus करेंगे बेटा 90 means 9.0. So 3.6 x equals to minus 9.0, so value of x equals to 9.0 by 3.6. So point से point कट जाएगा बेटा 9 10 जा 90 9 4 जा 36 2 5 जा 10 5 2 जा 2 2 जा 4. So value of x equals to 5 upon 2 5 upon 2. After this check करेंगे बेटा this value put out the given equation 2.4 as it is 3 minus 5 upon 2 and minus 0.6 as it is 2 multiply 5 upon 2 and minus 3 equals to 0 equals to 0. So solve करते हैं बेटा 5 2 3 जा 6 minus 5 upon 2 and minus here 2 से 2 कट हो जाएगा बेटा 0.6 multiply 5 minus 3 just 2 equals to 0. So 2 1 जा 2 and 2 2 जा 4, so 1.2 multiply 1 and here 6 2 जा 12 1.2. So 1.2 minus 1.2, so 0 equals to 0. So your answer is right because left hand side equals to right hand side. Everyone clear, student? Now after this, see the question number last of this exercise, question number 31. Question number 31. So see the question number 31, and 31 is x plus 2 upon x minus 2 equals to 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3. So y cross multiply 3 1 जा 3 and 3 2 जा 6 7 1 जा 7 and 7 2 जा 14 7 2 जा 14. तो अरेंज द लाइक टर्म मींस x x टर्म एक साइड करेंगे 14 इस साइड आ जाएगा बेटा प्लस हो जाएगा एंड 7x ये 3x इस साइड जाएंगे तो बेटा माइनस 3x हो जाएंगे. तो ये हो जाएंगे बेटा आपके 20 एंड ये हो जाएंगे आपके बेटा 4x. So value of x equals to 20 upon 4 4 5 जा 20 4 5 जा 20. So value of x equals to 5. So check करते हैं बेटा आपका आंसर की राइट है और रॉन्ग है. तो दिस वैल्यू पुट हियर given equation. So given equation is so put 5 plus 2 upon 5 minus 2 equals to 7 upon 3 7 upon 3. So 5 to 7 and 5 minus 2 just 3. So 7 upon 3 equals to 7 upon 3. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Means your answer is right. So this exercise is completed. Everyone clear, students? Now today work is closed. Good day beta.